Welcome back to this series on age reversal. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting frontiers in age reversal medicine, peptides. If hormones are the master control system of your body, peptides are the specific instructions that tell your body what to do with those signals. If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, Dr. Max McLeod, D.O., N.D., Ph.D., with over 45 years of clinical experience. I've been on a quest to understand health, aging, and disease since 1969. My videos are a way to help share what I've learned. Also known as the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and the STEM Region Age Reversal Technology Center, ARTC Health. He is a problem solver with a focus on helping people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He is using this avatar to save time making videos that can be better spent helping people. My role as his avatar is to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Please note that I'm an avatar of a doctor, and none of the information I convey should be considered medical advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. Doc Max also provides individual supervision, in person or virtual. Contact us at 941-806-5511 to learn more. Now, let's get back to today's topic. Before that, I ask that you leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way to help get these health-related presentations out to more people. Peptides are short chains of amino acids, typically between 2 and 50 amino acids linked together. They're like tiny text messages that cells send to each other. Your body naturally produces thousands of different peptides. They regulate virtually every biological process: metabolism, immune function, tissue repair, inflammation, sleep, cognitive function, sexual function, and much more. But here's the pattern you've already noticed the effects of. As you age, peptide production declines. The messages that used to tell your body to burn fat, build muscle, repair tissue, and stay sharp get quieter and less frequent. Peptide therapy is like turning up the volume on those messages again. Let me introduce you to some of the most powerful peptides we use, CJC-1295 and ipamorelin, the dynamic duo. These two peptides work synergistically to stimulate your body's natural production of growth hormone. CJC-1295 is a growth hormone-releasing hormone, GHRH, analog. It tells your pituitary gland to release growth hormone and extends the duration of that release. Ipamorelin is a growth hormone secretagogue. It triggers a clean pulse of growth hormone without spiking cortisol or prolactin, which some older peptides did. Together, they create a sustained, natural increase in growth hormone that mimics what you experienced in your youth. Increased fat burning, especially stubborn belly fat, improved muscle mass and strength, better sleep quality, deeper, more restorative, enhanced recovery from exercise, improved skin thickness and elasticity, sharper mental clarity. And here's the beautiful part. You're not injecting synthetic growth hormone. You're stimulating your own body to produce more of what it already makes naturally. If you're a fan of the X-Men, you know Wolverine heals from virtually any injury in seconds. BPC-157 is the closest thing we have to Wolverine's healing factor. BPC stands for Body Protection Compound. It's a peptide naturally found in human gastric juice, and it has remarkable regenerative properties. Accelerates healing of tendons, ligaments, muscles, and bones. Promotes blood vessel formation, angiogenesis. Reduces inflammation. Protects and heals the gut lining. May have neuroprotective effects. For my patients on GLP-1 medications who experience GI side effects, BPC-157 can be a game changer for gut healing. Although all the medications in this category are referred to as GLP-1, there are now several others that impact more receptors to produce better results with fewer side effects. The GLP-1 medications are actually peptides, as is insulin. For athletes and active adults dealing with nagging injuries that won't heal, BPC-157 often accomplishes what months of rest and physical therapy couldn't. Thymosin beta-4, TB500, is another powerful healing peptide. It's naturally produced by the thymus gland and plays a crucial role in tissue repair and regeneration, reducing inflammation, promoting hair regrowth, supporting cardiac tissue repair, enhancing flexibility, and reducing scarring. I often use TB500 in combination with BPC-157 for enhanced healing effects. They complement each other beautifully. Together, they are the Wolverine Healing Stack, AOD-9604, the fat-burning fragment. This is one of the most targeted fat loss peptides available. AOD-9604 is a modified fragment of human growth hormone, specifically amino acids 177-191. It contains the portion of HGH responsible for fat burning without the portions that affect blood sugar or cause growth. Stimulates lipolysis, fat breakdown, inhibits lipogenesis, fat formation, does not affect blood sugar or insulin, does not affect IGF-1 or cause HGH-related side effects. It's like extracting just the burn fat message from growth hormone and delivering it without any of the baggage. Here's a peptide that genuinely excites me. MOTS-c is a mitochondrial-derived peptide, meaning it's produced by your mitochondria, the power plants of your cells. It activates AMPK, the same pathway triggered by exercise and caloric restriction. In essence, it mimics some of the metabolic benefits of exercise at the cellular level. Benefits include improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced fat oxidation, better metabolic flexibility, may improve exercise performance and endurance. Now let me be clear, a MOTS-c is not a replacement for exercise, nothing is. But for people who are struggling to exercise due to pain, fatigue, or disability, it can help restore some metabolic functions while they work on the underlying issues. Let's talk about something many people are embarrassed to discuss, sexual function. As hormones decline, so does libido in both men and women. It's not just about desire, it's about arousal, performance, and satisfaction. PT-141, bremelanotide, works on the melanocortin receptors in the brain, the same system that governs sexual arousal. Unlike Viagra or Cialis, which work on blood flow and only work if desire is present, PT-141 actually enhances desire itself. For women especially, this can be transformative. Female sexual dysfunction has historically been ignored by medicine. PT-141 offers a real solution. I saved one of the most fascinating for last. Epithalon is a synthetic version of a peptide called epithalamin, which is naturally produced by the pineal gland. Its primary mechanism? Activating telomerase. Quick biology lesson. Telomeres are the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. Every time a cell divides, telomeres get a little shorter. When they get too short, the cell can no longer divide properly. It becomes senescent, aka a zombie cell, or it dies. Telomere shortening is one of the hallmarks of aging. Telomerase is an enzyme that can rebuild telomeres, essentially resetting the cellular clock. Epithalon has been shown in studies to activate telomerase production, elongate telomeres, improve sleep by regulating melatonin, support immune function, potentially extend lifespan, demonstrated in animal studies. Is it the fountain of youth? No single thing is. But epithalon is one of the most intriguing tools we have for addressing aging at the cellular level. That concludes part 4 of this series. Feel free to reach out to us for more information on how we can assist you in balancing your hormones. Call 941-806-5511.